Oakland University, Rochester, Michigan, United States. Oakland University is a public research university located in Rochester, Michigan, United States. Here's some information about the university. Situated on over 1,400 acres of land, community of Rochester, Michigan, about 30 miles north of downtown Detroit. History at 1957 through a generous donation of land to Dodge Wilson and Alfred Wilson, who wanted to create a new university for the people of Oakland County. The university officially opened its doors to students in 1959. Academic programs a wide range of undergraduate, graduate, and doctoral programs across various fields of study, including arts and sciences, business administration, education and human services, engineering and computer science, health sciences, nursing, and more, including academic buildings, research laboratories, residence halls, dining facilities, recreational, and a library. Notable landmarks on campus include the Elliott Tower, which serves as a symbol of the university, and the Oakland Center, a hub for student activities and services. Student life as diverse student body, with over 20,000 students enrolled in undergraduate and graduate programs. The university offers numerous student organizations, clubs, and activities to enhance the student experience, including academic and professional organizations, cultural and ethnic clubs, recreational and intramural, sports, and more. Athletics known as the Golden Grizzlies, compete in NCAA Division I sports, primarily as members of the Horizon League. Sports offered include basketball, soccer, volleyball, track and field, swimming and diving, and more. Research Oakland research and scholarly activities across various disciplines. The university's research centers and institutes focus on areas such as health sciences, engineering, education, environmental science, and business. Community engagement deeply connected to the surrounding community and actively in initiatives, partnerships, and service projects to address local needs and contribute to the region's development. Accreditation by the Higher Learning Commission, HLC, and holds numerous program-specific accreditations for its academic programs. Overall, Oakland University provides a comprehensive educational experience with a focus on academic, student success, and community engagement. Find more vlogs at https://com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. https://com/webinar. Scale effortlessly with beginning success. Collaborations, comprehensive resources. https://com/success collaboration. God bless you.